Hi guys, this is Kevin for Pixavert.com. In this video, we are going to be looking at noise reduction inside of Photoshop. I've got this wonderful picture which I'm going to be comparing noise reduction for in 3 different filters. We're going to be using Camera Raw, Dfine 2, we're going to be using Photoshop itself. If we zoom out of this image, you'll see that the image looks just fine when we're zoomed out, and it's really only as we zoom in that we begin to notice there's quite a lot of noise, and at 1:1 we can see some of that noise battling for position and dominance with the detail inside the image. So I want to try to see if I can reduce the noise without destroying the detail. We'll compare first of all Camera Raw. It's been a long time since I did a noise reduction video inside of Photoshop. Things have changed so much, so let's see what kind of results we get. Filter, Camera Raw. We go to the 3rd tab. We open up the comparison and we just zoom in like this. I'm going to reduce the luminance, taking it up to 100, and we'll take the detail, luminance detail, down to 0. This is some major noise reduction taking place here. Look at that. I don't like the fact that the colors are looking a bit weird and that we've lost so much detail inside of the image. It's become soft. So let's go ahead and reduce the luminance noise reduction quite a lot. Let me just quickly demonstrate first that we have got a color noise reduction here, which, you can crank it up quite a lot, and it really doesn't do too much harm. Let's keep it about 50, and I'm not going to do much more with the color noise. There's not a lot of color noise inside the image. I'm going to reduce the luminance noise reduction to around 50, and we'll bring back a little bit of detail using the luminance detail. So 50, 25 is my final result there, and you can see that we are losing a lot of the noise, keeping some of the detail. This is awesome. Let's hit OK and move on to the next filter, which is the built-in Photoshop filter. Filter, noise, reduce noise. Let's go on ahead and crank up the strength. I'm going to zoom in over here, and maybe we need to pull this back a little bit. Preserve detail, maybe not that much. If you see the image breaking up like it's doing here, that might mean that the graphics card is malfunctioning a little bit. You might want to switch it off. I generally dislike using this filter anyway, so I'm not going to be switching off the graphics card. We can reduce color noise. There's not much in the image, so we're going to keep that at 0. And I think this is about as good as it's going to get. I think it looks rubbish. We're going to hit OK, and then we'll go to Dfine 2. This is the famous Nik Collection version of Dfine 2. I think this image is a little bit misaligned. Let me see. Yeah, it's a little bit misaligned. Anyway, I don't think it matters too much. Let's just go ahead and check for Dfine 2. Filter Nik Collection Dfine 2, the famous Google version, the one they gave away for free, and it's an awesome plugin. Dfine 2, it will carry out an automatic audit of the noise inside the image. Let me show you. We'll zoom out. It's sampling automatically different parts of the image. Most of the time, you can just rely on it to get it right. We'll zoom in. You can see it's done an awesome job. I really think this is fantastic. This is no work at all. It's just go into the filter. It's done a grand job in removing noise. It's got all the detail that it can keep. We can go to reduce and maybe reduce the contrast noise a little bit, turn off the color noise, and hit OK. It normally just does by default a fantastic job. And let's see, it creates a new layer, so we'll need to get rid of the original Dfine 2 layer. Let's delete that. And we can now do a comparison. Let's compare Dfine 2 with Photoshop. Photoshop looks horrible. Dfine 2 actually looks really good. You may not be able to tell the difference on your monitor, but I really prefer Dfine 2 to Photoshop. Photoshop has a lot of detail going on that looks weird and wrong. Switch off Photoshop, look at Camera Raw. I like that. It's nice and smooth, and we could have made it a lot smoother if we wanted to. And I prefer Dfine 2 to Camera Raw. I think Dfine 2 is just perfect. So Camera Raw, I would say second position. Dfine 2 won that particular contest. You can disagree if you want to. Leave a comment if you feel that I didn't do the experiment right or whatever. I think we're going to leave it at that. I think that was an interesting little test. So Dfine 2 is the one that I would use most of the time. There's a lot more to noise reduction inside of Photoshop, but I just wanted to do a very quick comparison. We're going to leave it there. Oh my God, that was interesting. Okay, I'm going to see you guys next time, and hopefully you've enjoyed this a little bit. Bye.